Welcome to day 2 of my diet using Tupperware meal prep tips. How did yesterday go? I actually really enjoyed my meals. It was funny because we were eating at Target and I had taken my salad with me, and my grandson is eating his pepperoni pizza and goes, "Grandma, what is that?" And I go, "It's salad." He goes, "Is that your lunch?" And I'm like, "Yes." And he goes, "Thought you were gonna eat popcorn." And I was like, "Oh, thanks. Just rub it in that I'm not eating popcorn right now." So we should start with breakfast. And this is really simple. This is a quick shake. And I figured out you guys can see my menu board of what we're making for today. I just can't see it. It looks backwards to me, but to you, it looks okay. So for our breakfast, we're gonna have an omelet, and then we're gonna have celery sticks with um, chicken, chicken salad. We're gonna have steak, grilled potatoes, and asparagus. And for our snack, we're gonna have nuts and apple and some ham and turkey and cheese. Yep, so we're all ready to get started, and we'll see how fast we can do everything. So first thing is this is the breakfast. This is the breakfast maker, and you can make omelets in 2 minutes in the breakfast maker. So you 2 eggs, and you put a tablespoon of milk or water, milk or water. And this has the blender wheel, the quick shake. It has a blender wheel, so you don't have to use a fork. You just shake it and mix it up. And make sure you put the lid on right. If not, egg's gonna go all over. It's really easy. And then you put it in the breakfast maker. Just pour it in. And you can put 3 eggs, or you can put ham or onions or whatever you like. But we're just gonna do a straight omelet for today. And you just put it on for 2 minutes, covered. And while we're getting that ready, we'll start getting the asparagus, potatoes and asparagus ready. So that can go in as soon as this is done. These are red potatoes. These are red potatoes. I cut them in half. I washed them and cut them in half. Wherever the potato touches the grill, that's what gets brown. So you want them pretty much all the same size or close to it, and the cover touching as much as you can. You can put seasoning with it, Italian seasoning or anything like that, but I like olive oil tossed with Italian seasoning. I carefully measure everything, you can tell. And some Italian seasoning. And then you shake it all up. And you can tell when it's pretty well covered because you'll see the Italian seasoning and all of it. It turns out really good. It's so easy. So see it all on there. Just put it in a micro grill. Is that too easy or what? And then you want to make sure you kind of get all the potatoes touching, like all about the same height at least, so that and you put it in the grill, not the casserole setting, but the grill setting. So we'll put that in. I try to make everything as fast as possible because I don't think you want to watch me cook for hours. Put it in for about 6 minutes. And this is the omelet. Now, if you want, you can put cheese on here, or you can put. You could have cooked it with onions, bell peppers, whatever you like on the omelet. It just comes right out of the container. This is really good when you're making fried noodles and stuff, and you just want to make a couple eggs and slice it up. The cheese is really good on it. But I want cheese later on for a snack. And this diet, I'm trying to eat only one dairy a day. Okay, so that's breakfast with cheese or onions or whatever you want on it. And then we're going to do a quick, remember we had chicken breast yesterday? And when I made the chicken breast, it made quite a bit of chicken. So what I did was I saved some of the chicken for today. And we're making chicken salad. You can put this in chop and prep or the Power Chef if you want it chopped up fine. You can put celery in here, but it's kind of, we're going to eat it with celery, so it's kind of a lot of celery for one meal, I think anyway. But you know that celery is one of those foods that when you eat it, you burn more calories eating it than there is inside it, which is great. So if you think about it, you just eat celery all the time, you could lose weight just from eating celery. And we'll put a little mayonnaise. Not a lot, but a little bit of mayonnaise. And mix it up. And you can break it up more if you want. So if you do this in a Power Chef, you can put everything in, the mayonnaise, the chicken, and all. So how I'm going to eat it for lunch is a celery. I made celery sticks. And when you eat it for lunch, all you do is you take the chicken salad and you put it on here like a celery boat. And you have celery and chicken salad. It's really good. And we'll put the chicken salad in the vet and serve. It's great for storing stuff. If you had something that you wanted to reheat, you could put it in here. So that's the chicken salad for my lunch. Isn't that pretty quick? Easy? It's in the refrigerator. You don't have to think about it. You have your lunch ready. And that's a pretty good lunch. You can eat more chicken salad, more celery sticks if you're still hungry. So breakfast, lunch, that's cucumbers. Okay, for snacks, I am going to use nuts. When you do the nuts, I was saying you can measure it out because you don't want to eat more than a quarter of a cup. You measure it out. And while you're doing it, you can do some for tomorrow. So you just do it. I really am liking almonds right now. But if you have another nut that you like, just fill the containers with a quarter of a cup of whatever nuts you're into eating. And then you're ready the next day. You have all your snacks ready. So I wanted to put, did I have cucumber? I had cucumber or cheese. Oh, I didn't have cucumbers. I had cheese. So we'll do cheese. I have to follow my menu. I'm not sure why, but I do have a menu that I've been trying to follow. So you can put cheese. Oh, I know. I think I put cheese because it tastes better with the turkey and ham. I like cheese. It's a little bit rough when you're supposed to limit it to one serving a day, as there's probably more than one serving. Only a little bit more, but we'll see. So that's cheese. And the freeze it containers don't have to always go in the freezer. You can use them in the refrigerator too. And then this is the turkey and ham. You can actually snack on turkey and ham all day, because that's one of those lean proteins that's unlimited. Just like the cucumbers, if you're extra hungry, you want to eat more cucumbers or more lean ham or turkey, you can. But as I said, I don't think it's healthy to eat unlimited quantity of everything. Okay, so these are my snacks for tomorrow. Oh, and an apple. I have an apple too for tomorrow. Good timing. And then we have grilled the potatoes. Now we gotta put the asparagus in. This is the vertical fridge smart, which is great for like carrots and for asparagus and different vegetables like that. You don't have to get too crazy for dinner. We're gonna put some in. And you put the same seasoning, the olive oil and Italian seasoning. You guys are watching and you want to help me and tell me Italian seasoning. Okay, so we'll put a little bit more olive oil, a little bit more Italian seasoning. I'm gonna shake it up. Man, we're almost done already. How cool is that? Okay. I bought the cheapest microwave because everybody always tells me, oh, I can't make that because our microwave's not big enough. Most, if not all, of Tupperware's microwave products goes into the smallest microwave you can buy at Target. Okay, can you see the potatoes? They're browned, and they have the what do you call it? They have the Italian seasoning all the way spread out. And then we're gonna put the asparagus on top. You have to be careful because this heats up to 425 degrees. So that's how it browns it. This is the microfiber towel, my favorite. So I put it in for about 6 minutes for the potatoes. And if it's not done enough, just put it in for a couple more minutes. And then I put the asparagus in for about 3 minutes. I love it because somebody comes and cleans this up after. My helper comes and cleans it. So this is the steak that we're having. My husband cooked it on the grill to help me because I was busy getting everything else ready. I don't think I have a fork up here. Oh well. So this is the steak. You just cut it up, put it on your plate. I know on the mainland, they don't cut the steak up for you. But in Hawaii, we always serve the steak like this. I'm not sure why. I guess because we don't usually give everybody a knife and fork or eat at the table or any of those things. So what I want to show you is you cut the steak up, and that's kind of a lot to eat. Although you can eat it if you're hungry. But most of the time, this large of a steak is too much for one meal for one person. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to save some for dinner. And then this is the vent and serve. So you can put the one that you don't want to eat in here. No, it's like, oh, how much is she going to eat? So what I do is I put some in here. And what I do tomorrow is I'll have salad. And then I'll have steak already cut up and ready to put on my salad. So I saw the salad I made for tomorrow. So this will be for tomorrow. And this is for dinner tonight with the potatoes and asparagus. I think it looks really good. I had more food than I thought today. It's pretty good. I'm kind of addicted to the almonds, so I have to make sure I stick to a quarter of a cup. But the cucumbers, I ate a lot of carrots. My grandson wanted carrots, and I was like, I have to make carrots then. So it's good. The kids get the habits that you have. So if they see you eating carrots, they're going to want to eat carrots too. So that's a good thing. To set healthy eating habits for your kids and your grandkids. And it's almost done. And I'll show you the finished product. And I can't wait for dinner time so I can eat it. You have to be careful because the grill is really hot. I can't emphasize that. If you pick it up at a certain spot, it's not hot, but anything metal or attached to the metal is really pretty hot. Doesn't that look great? Potatoes and asparagus. Hey, I hope you try it and you enjoy it as much as I do. Thanks for watching me. I appreciate it. Have a great day. Bye.